Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to start something new here. We're going to start having a Tech Tuesday where we're going to have like some hand tools and sheet metal tools and different types of tools that we use, and we're just going to show different tips and tricks with it. And this week we're going to be featuring my dad. He's going to come in and we're going to use the Harbor Freight English wheel, and we're also going to use some other neat little tools that he's made on his CNC plasma machine, and I think you guys are going to like it. Hope you enjoy it, and let us know what you think. Okay guys, here is the flange tipping tool that we were talking about there, and Dad has made all of these here on his CNC machine and powder coated them in-house. They're just powder coated silver there, and these things work really neat, and we're going to get right into it and show you guys what these different size little tools here can do.
And get you a slot bend and then drive it around the line. This will take a few passes. Bend it just a little bit more. You don't have to worry about if it's right on the line, because when you get done you can mark the line out, wipe it off, and you'll be the only one that really knows the difference.
It's really cool how it's going around that curve like that and it's just rolling it over. There's a lot of little handy things that you can do with that.
Okay.
And this tool that he's using right now, this is something he's made on his plasma table. This is kind of the really neat little tool right here to help you roll an edge on over. And what'd you say this little tool is called, Dad?
It's a flange tipping tool.
A flange tipping tool.
There's different designs of them, different ways you can do this. This is just one of them. Make them in different sizes. You just can't get in a hurry on the and try to bend too much at one time. The narrow one is made for doing the curves.
That's really neat right there, because I know a lot of times whenever I've tried to do curve stuff, you run into situations where it'd be nice to fill in a corner that if you could have it bent over, and being able to have this to do that is pretty cool, and you're still keeping a nice edge there.
And then you can finish it up. You can keep using this tool to get it all bent over, and then you can use a hammer and dolly to get the sharp
edge that you need. That's really cool.
And this is for making a hem.
Now this is like that rounded edge, like what you had on that push-pull bar you made for that door, wasn't it?
Yes.
Like where, okay, so guys, what he's doing is he's bending this over as far as he can with this little tool here, and then it's going to roll on over flat. So basically you're going to have a rounded edge instead of like a sharp edge like how these ends are.
It makes the material twice as strong. And this is like the hem that goes around a door panel also. And once you get it bent over so far, you can take a rubber mallet, finish bending it over. Let's see if we can do that. Oh yeah. Then we're going to take it over to the English wheel. Once you get this set, you can do it in just about one pass instead of the multiple passes like I'm doing. There you are.
That is super cool right there. Check it out, guys. So hopefully you guys can see us in the camera here. So see this rounded edge? So it went from a straight, kind of a sharp cut edge here to now it's folded over, so like you can grab onto this and it won't cut into your fingers. And also, like what he was saying before, you just doubled the thickness right there, so now this is a really strong edge right here on the end. And that's a really neat little tech tip right there on what all you can do with this English wheel here.
And this is the English wheel like what you get from Harbor Freight. A lot of people down the stuff because it's cheap Chinese made stuff, but honestly it's a good little machine. You can't build it for what you can go buy it there for.
Oh yeah, 100%. You know, I mean, we went to Dad's shop there and we've used several of his tools there, and I've showed you guys, and I've had to, you know, buy these tools so I can do them in my shop. And you know, I mean, this thing is actually working really well and doing a really nice job. And it came with a caddy to hold all your different wheels, and the only wheel that they did not have that comes with it is a flat wheel, and I had to make this so we can do situations like what we just did here with that plate.
And this is just a caster wheel made out of cast iron that you can also get at places like Harbor Freight and Northern.
Yeah, it worked out cheap and worked out good. And Dad, I tell you, man, I can't thank you enough for coming out here and showing me this little tech tip here. And we're hoping to start doing more of these for you guys. So once a week, we're going to show like a 3 to 5 minute video of just like some cool little tech tips with sheet metal or some other neat little tool we got going on. So thank you, Dad, for showing this, man. Oh yeah, man.